This lesson is prepared for CBSE Board Exam Grade 10, focusing mainly on geography map work. First, you have to identify the features on the map, which is already marked, that is identification. And second is, you need to locate and label the features on the map. We will have a look at the Indian states. So, before we go for identification of the features, let's get familiar with the states of India. Here are some effortless steps to remember the states in a systematic way. So first, we should know the directions properly. Have a look at this. Directions. This indicates the north, south, west, east. These are the four major directions, and the intermediate directions are the northwest, southeast, northeast, and southwest. So when you look at the map of India, you can identify the directions clearly. This is north, and this is south, and this is west, and this is east. Here comes the northwest, and here is the southwest, and this is southeast, and here we have the northeast. So we all know that the Tropic of Cancer divides India into two parts, North India and South India. Let's first have a look at the states of South India. We will just follow the coastal Gujarat to the Kerala, okay? So we'll first have a look at the coastal areas, okay? We are first learning the southern states. So here comes the Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Orissa, West Bengal. So this is an easy way to remember the states in order. First, we will be learning the South Indian states, that is Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Orissa. Okay, then we will move to the North Indian states. So Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. In your book, you can see only the Jammu Kashmir. This is the latest map. So first is the Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Then comes the Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Once again, I'm repeating. Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. In your book, you can see only the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal. Then we will move to the Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So now we learn the South Indian states as well as the North Indian states. Now we will move to the Northeastern states. Here you have to remember that the Assam is in the middle. Okay. So first here we will start from here. Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, Assam. Once again, I am repeating. Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. So now you can remember all the states in a systematic way. Just practice it regularly. It will be more helpful to learn all the map work in the geography. Today's learning objective is to identify the major types of soil in India. The map shows the distribution of soil in India. First, we will have a look at the map Dharauli water set. So they have given the here they have given different colors to identify the different types of soil. So you will get a map like this, which is already, the soils are, clearly marked. You need to identify what type of soil is there. They won't give you the key. You need to identify the type of soil. Okay, first we will learn about the different types of soil. First have a look at the forest soil. So the forest soil is mainly found in the hilly and mountainous areas and in the Himalayan region. The forest soil is mainly found in the hilly and mountainous area and in the Himalayan region. Next, we will move to the alluvial soil. The alluvial soil is mostly found in the northern plains and in the east coastal plains with the deltas. The mainly it's found in the UP, some parts of Gujarat, and east coastal plain with the deltas. That is, here we have the Kaveri Delta, Krishna Godavari Delta, and Mahanadi Delta. Okay, next we will move to the red soil. The red soil is mostly found in Orissa, Chhattisgarh, and southern parts of the Ganga, and in the Western Ghats region. These are the areas where we can see the red soil. Then comes the black soil. The black soil is found in the Deccan Trap region and it covers the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau. It's mainly in the peninsular India. And the next one is the laterite soil. The laterite soil you can see in patches here and there. That is in the southern states and in the Western Ghats region of Maharashtra, Orissa, and northeastern India. And the last one is the arid soil. The arid soil is found in the Rajasthan, the western part of the Rajasthan. So in this map, we are going to identify the types of soil. On the given map, they already mark the areas of soil. You need to identify the type of soil. What type of soil is that? Okay, the green color indicates the mountain soil and this orange color indicates the red soil and this one indicates the black soil, and here comes the arid soil, and which is left now laterite soil. This is how you need to identify the soil on the given map of on the given map. Now,